What's going on YouTube? Tony here with Advanced Street Technology, bringing you another hot video of the new Edge Mustang LS swap. We just wanted to bring you along for the ride. Like, subscribe, and let's get to work. All right, we got our third connecting rod piston in there. Still turns over pretty easy. It will get tougher, but so far so good. Just putting it together. Cool, let's give it another turning torque. Seventeen, but the first one's always the toughest one. Let me just do it again.
Porque todavía no están todos oiled up, ¿no?
Yeah, well, it has to turn that for that first time. It has to do, say, 15. Yeah.
So it's only going by like 2 points, no?
Yeah. Every time we had a piston. Yeah, 15.8. That's good. You see the increase in resistance.
Yeah. Se va apretando más.
Yeah. I think we're good. Let's flip it, and we'll freaking we'll call it for tonight. There you go. Yep. We'll put it right side up. Oh.
The screw?
Yeah. No, let's count.
Con el taladro.
Ready? Yeah, right there. Woo. I know. It was definitely tougher than it needed to be.
Tenemos que echarle poquito aceitazo ya allí.
Yeah. Hold it, Giovanni, and I'll spin it just so we can see the pistons in action.
Yeah.
Oh no, the camera.
Oh, I thought talking about the.
No. I'll just rotate it. I just want to make sure we can.
Is it even on?
Yeah, it is. $14 turning torque. Newton meters. That's good. It went down.
It went down more.
Yeah. That's it. Ship it. We're out of here. Dang. We are going to throw the camshaft in it. So if that's something you want to see, then like, subscribe, and let's get to work. We got, as you can tell, the pistons back in it. We did put the barbell in it, the aluminum one. That sucker was really tight, so I went in there, kind of forced it in a little bit, but just tapped it with the hammer and that got it in there. I want to go ahead and put the camshaft in it right now that we have the rear cover off, and then we will go from there. So let's get it. Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's good right there. All right, camshaft's in it. Now we're gonna go ahead and continue on. We got a dual timing chain, sprocket, and for the cam. So we're gonna throw on our little plate, which is new, and then the timing chain. And then we'll start to put this front timing cover together, and we'll pull our rear timing together. I'll do a little. All right, guys, thank you for watching. It really wasn't that much work. It was work, but it wasn't too bad. We got all the pistons back in there. The ring gap's done. Everything's torqued up. At the final, what I was doing when I was rotating it with a torque wrench is that's the turning torque, or how much force it takes to turn over the engine. It was like 14.9, I believe. So for a V8, and that's Newton meters. So for a V8, that's pretty good. Spins over really good. We're excited to get this thing running. If you're excited, then hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.